This appeal is directed against the final judgment and order dated 11/9/2017 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Patna in Criminal Miscellaneous Application number 27078 of 2013, whereby the High Court allowed the criminal miscellaneous application filed by respondent numbers 2 and 3. Herein and quashed the complaint filed by the appellant herein. A few facts need mention herein below for the disposal of this appeal, which involves a short point by impugned order. The High Court quashed the order dated 13/2/2013 passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Saran at Chapra in complaint case number 21/2012, whereby the Judicial Magistrate took cognizance of the complaint filed by the appellant herein against respondent numbers 2 and 3 for commission of the offences punishable under sections 323, 379 read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 within bracket for short IPC bracket closed, by holding that a prima facie case was made out against respondent numbers 2 and 3 on the basis of allegations made in the complaint. So, the short question which arises for consideration in this appeal filed by the complainant is whether the judicial magistrate was right in holding that a prima facie case is made out against respondent numbers 2 and 3 for commission of the offences punishable under sections 323, 379 read with section 34 IPC, so as to call upon them to face the trial on merits, or whether the High Court was right in holding that no prima facie case has been made out against respondent numbers 2 and 3. Heard Mr. Binay Kumar Das, Learned Counsel for the appellant, Mr. Prabhat Ranjan Raj, Learned Counsel for respondent numbers 2 and 3, and Mr. Devashish Bharuka, Learned Counsel for respondent number 1 state. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the record of the case, we are constrained to allow the appeal, set aside the impugned order and restore the order of the judicial magistrate dated 13/2/2013. The High Court examined the case in para 6, which reads as under. On perusal of complaint petition, I find that the complainant has asserted that firstly he had contracted for purchasing the shop premises from the landowner, but the petitioners offered more money and got the document registered in their favor. There is no sheet of paper on record to support the agreement of sale or payment of any amount to the landowner. The petitioners claim to be bona fide purchaser of the shop premises which was in tenancy of the complainant. The petitioners have filed an eviction suit number 10 of 2012, in which the complainant has filed his written statement admitting tenancy in the said shop premises. The complainant has further asserted that he has been remitting rent of the said shop regularly, and when he learned about the transfer of shop premises in favor of the petitioners, the complainant has filed a title suit number 2 of 2012. The dispute between the parties appears to be a civil dispute. The relationship of landlord and tenant stands admitted by the complainant in the eviction suit. I further find that there are contradictions in the statement of witnesses on the point of occurrence. The criminal prosecution of these petitioners in the above background appears to be an abuse of process of court. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.